Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will take a look at Ethereum name service and I will show you how you can claim your domain. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And now let's just jump straight into our video. So we opened Ethereum name services website, and as always you can find all the links in the description box below. As you can see, click on go to app in the top right corner and we will connect our Metamask wallet. If you don't have a Metamask wallet or if you don't know how to use it, you can check out our Metamask tutorial video from the cards. Now let's click on go to app, and after clicking on go to app, connect your Metamask wallet. As you can see, it automatically pops up the screen, and click on next and then connect. And now as you can see, we connected our Metamask wallet. After you connected your Metamask wallet, in here type down the name you'd like to purchase. For example, let's have a look at Coin Engineer. After typing down your name, click on search. And as you can see, it's available. So now let's click on this to see the full details. And we can see all the details here. The registration period is 1 year and this is the price. If you'd like to increase the registration period, just click on this plus button, and as you can see, it increases the price. The registration period means after 3 years your domain will expire and someone else will be able to buy it. So the longer you increase this period, the longer you will keep your domain. And you can also extend this domain after you purchase it. So for example, you can buy it firstly for 1 year, and then after you bought it, you can increase the registration period. And you can also see the Ethereum gas fee, and it shows the total price. As you can see, it says insufficient balance on your wallet because I just created an empty wallet to show you guys the system. After having this balance in your Metamask wallet, it will say request to register, and you can see the steps. Firstly, you will request to register, and then you will wait for 1 minute. The waiting period is required to ensure another person doesn't try to register the same name and protect you after your request. And the third and the final step is the complete registration. Click register and your wallet will reopen. Only after the second transaction is confirmed and you will know if you got the name. Now I want to show you what you can do with it other than showing off with your domain. Now let's say you want to send money to one of your friends or to another account. Now let's click on send, and normally, as you would know, we would have to paste a Metamask or Ethereum wallet address here. Starts within 0x. But if that account also has a domain, we can just type down the domain and I will give you an example. So right now you're looking at Ethereum name services OpenSea collection. You can also sell your domains on Ethereum name service, and I will show you the most expensive domain ever sold on Ethereum name service. So as you can see, the paradigm.ethereum was sold for 420 Ethereums. And now let's say you'd like to send money to this domain. So let's say we don't know the wallet address, but we know its domain name. So when we type down paradigm.ethereum, you can see it automatically matches with the wallet address. So when I click on it, I can send money automatically. And you can also check this on etherscan.io. As you know, you would normally type down your wallet address to see your recent transactions. But as I said, you can also type down your domain to check your latest transactions. So now let's type down the most expensive domain and click on enter. And we can see the latest transactions. There was a transaction 7 hours and 7 minutes ago. And as I said in the beginning, you can use your domain for this. And after you purchase your domain, it will automatically be seen on your OpenSea account. And you will be able to sell it. And that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on to not to miss out any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And I also suggest you to check out our Instagram page because we share very motivational quotes, important informations, breaking news, and everything there's to know about the crypto world and business world in general. So definitely check out our Instagram along with our other social media accounts from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.